Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Buildxact for property maintenance records. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Buildxact login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Provide your password in the password field. Click on the login button to access your account. Once logged in, locate the dashboard on your screen. Click on the Records tab to view property maintenance records. If prompted, select the appropriate property from your list. Once the property is selected, you will see various records related to maintenance. To authenticate a record, click on the specific maintenance entry you wish to verify. Review the details provided in the entry, ensuring they match your expectations. If necessary, cross-reference with relevant documentation. If everything checks out, proceed to authenticate. Look for the Authenticate button or link within the entry. Click on the Authenticate button. A confirmation message will appear, indicating successful authentication. You can now access the authenticated record for future reference. If you need to authenticate additional records, repeat the previous steps. When finished, log out of your Buildxact account securely. Close your web browser once you have completed the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.